so cool to be doing stuff in this space. Make some noise for doing stuff in this space again. It's good to be back. And who better to kick off live performances here in the Odyssey headquarters in Center City, Philadelphia, than one of my dear friends who's a major friend of the radio station. We have so much history together. And as good as a performer and as a musician he is, he's even a better person. I just love this guy. And he'll perform a few songs for us, including his new hit song, Light Switch. Big thanks to Atlantic Records for making this happen. Give a warm Philadelphia welcome to Charlie Puth.
It's like a thing. I thought there was gonna be like 3 people. This is great. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Oh wow, this is so great. It's just amazing seeing people not buffering. You know what I mean? Internet jokes. Wow, okay, so we'll play Light Switch too. I haven't played that for anybody yet, so please excuse me if I fumble a lyric. The song came out just a couple months ago. But we'll do, okay, so we're gonna do the songs that, I don't have my band with me, obviously, so we're gonna just do the songs like a little bit lower, that's okay. Maybe like a Philadelphia soulful kind of bashing. Okay. I wrote this song in Manila, Philippines, and then finished the production in Japan. And that's the answer I'm sticking with.
I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would've known that wasn't me. 'Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way you did so easily. Don't wanna know kind of dress you're wearing tonight, if he's holding on to you so tight the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Ooh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just hope you're lying next to somebody that knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. Don't wanna know kind of dress you're wearing tonight, he's giving it to you just right the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Ooh, it's such a shame that we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. Like we used to do. Don't wanna know kind of dress you're wearing tonight, please hold on to yourself tight the way I did before. See, I messed up a lyric there. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Ooh, it's such a shame. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
Philadelphia's finest? Just a little bit. This next song started completely by accident. Completely. It was I hadn't performed in front of people for 2 years, and I was thinking to myself at the very beginning of the pandemic, I was like, oh, that was a nice run. I got to go around the world and play. It's probably not going to happen anymore. I mean, tour is probably not ever going to happen again. This is like April 2020, and I thought to myself, one day I have to maybe perform in a different way. Maybe I'll show people how I make songs in the thanks, Michaela. Maybe I'll show people how I produce a record, and that'll be like a new way of performing, or I'll do a Twitch stream or something. And there was this thing called TikTok that just popped out of nowhere, and everyone was dancing. There were all these sad videos on, and I thought, wow, there's so many sad videos, and everyone's dancing. Why? It's like the beginning of YouTube, where there was not a whole lot of music present. There was like 3 musicians on YouTube in 2006. And I thought to myself, I can fill that void with showing people how to make a song. And that'll be the new way of performing. And then a year later, I thought to myself, I should make an unusual song. I should make a song with a sound effect in it. And the name of the song should be The Sound Effect. And now and I was like, no one's gonna like this song. And then the video went completely viral with 20 million people begging me to finish the song. And now you guys are playing it, so thanks very much. It's a song that I'm probably gonna sing the rest of my life. But it just goes to show you what interesting things you can make when you're not thinking about doing the thing that you're trying to do. Does that make sense? I don't know. This is a new song called Light Switch, and I have no light switch sound, but I just played it. I like this sound a lot. It's very chill.
Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got there, Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing? But I can't stay mad when you walk like that. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want to keep me wanting you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want to. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on.
hearing like the switch in my head, and I'm like, should I do a little? Or is that gonna be? Nobody cares. It's Monday. Fun fact: that's the fastest song played on radio, Bennett. 184 BPMs, so it goes.
I knew that.
You knew that?
Yeah.
I think, yeah, because I told you that on Zoom. We were buffering. And then right before the pre-chorus, it's kind of musical. It's almost like music, like theatrical in a way. There's a bar of 79 BPM. And I'm pretty sure, I'm no mathematician, but I'm pretty sure that 79 isn't even divisible by 184. It's just like something that just like felt nice. 184 divided by 79. I don't know. There might be a decimal in there, but it just felt right. And I can't explain why I did it, but I'm happy that it's annoying everybody 100 times a day. Thank you very much. I leave you musically, but we're going to do a little interview after this. I get to talk to one of my favorite people ever in Philadelphia. I like your shirt, by the way. Was that Snoop Dogg or no?
That's
Biggie
Biggie.
Smalls.
That's Biggie.
Is that a real release or is that a reprint? Say it's real.
My boss got it for me.
That's sick. Regardless.
That's a fake. He doesn't want me that much.
Oh man.
This is my Christmas gift. Tough budget. Yeah.
Oh, we didn't go
Times are tough.
Well, okay, so sorry. I don't feel like I'm working right now. This is the best. This is a song. This is a song that I'm going to do in B minor, and it's one of my favorite songs I've ever written. And I love the dichotomy of happy chords with really sad lyricism, and that's what this is.
Run around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in Philly. You knew that I'd be at one.
That was slick. I'm slick.
You know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Now I'm all up on you, what you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want more. Maybe you just say the thought of me with someone new. You just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I'd call you up. Baby, now that we're right here standing face to face, you already know that you want. Whoa, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Now I'm all up on you, what you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want more. Maybe you just say the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing to me? What are you doing now? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing to me? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing to me? What are you doing? Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Now I'm all up on you, what you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want more. Maybe you just say the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, attaching. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you, over you. What are you doing now? What are you doing? Tell me what. You just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you.
Thanks, everyone.
Is there room for two on that seat, cowboy? Where do I sit?
You can share it with us.
Yeah.
All right.
Is this too close?
No, it's not.
COVID's over, huh? I hope so.
You know who sang that song Too Close?
Oh, next.
Next. Was it? Oh, Next. You know what that song is really about? You guys know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Baby, when we're riding, I get so excited.
This is weird singing.
This is hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, this is nice.
Why are we talking? I don't know.
I don't know, but I like it. Make some noise for Charlie Puth. The first performance here in our Artist Lounge in 2 years. The first time you performed, I like this, Light Switch, right?
Yeah, this is the first time I performed Light Switch on for any station.
That's amazing. I just talked to you just not long ago on Zoom. Everything's still good? Everything's awesome in your world?
Everything's always awesome in my world. I just can't seem to, I'm gonna take these out. I can't seem to get the music to stop playing in my head.
I asked you about that. Yeah, it's
I'm
like,
working on it.
do you ever get annoyed when people ask you like about certain oh, name this note? You're like, what's this? Like, when I smack that, what's that note?
Smack that.
Yeah, like, is that
no.
annoying? Like, I'm colorblind, so people are like, oh, what color is this? What color is that?
You're
I mean, I guess,
colorblind.
yeah, like yours is more of a talent, mine's more of a disability, but I still annoy it. You know what I mean? It's like, I don't know. You know what I mean?
I know.
Does that bother you?
No, I mean, well, the whole thing, and what I was talking about the internet before, you're so funny. The thing that I was talking about at the internet before is like, I just want to show, for whatever reason, I guess the arts are more embraced now, not to get on this whole tirade, but like, I think in the West, the arts were really, like music in general was kind of like pushed to the side. It's like, oh, music class is an elective. And I just want to show people, you know, teenagers, people who are just starting music a little bit later in their life, that you can start music anytime and incorporate it with anything that you do. There is art, and that was the whole point of, you know, making the weirdest song in the world, Light Switch, but with an everyday object sounding thing, and just proving the fact that everything has tonality to it, and anything could be a song, kind of thing.
No,
Your
absolutely.
voice.
No, and on
Tune
Zoom.
your voice up and make it into a song. Make you
Go
a
for
star.
it.
Make you a star.
Yeah,
Donnie
Get on
Cologne
out.
here.
Get on out there.
Can you imagine if my name was Donnie Cologne and I came up to you and I was like, I can make you a star. I can get you
I
played.
wish that
I
for
can
me.
get you
Let's
played
man-
on your station.
Let's manifest that. I want that.
Yeah.
What's your name again? What is it?
Donnie Cologne.
Donnie Cologne.
I just thought of
I like
that.
that.
That's a very
That's a good
record
word, too.
executive sound.
Yeah,
kind
that's
of-
Cologne. He's got his power
I
pop.
forgot we're working right now. I forgot I'm promoting. It doesn't feel like work.
No, and that's good. That's how it should be. And I applauded you on Zoom not long ago for what you just said. You know, creating these moments on TikTok and kind of allowing your fans into your thought process and just how you go about things, and make it so accessible for music lovers. I think that's amazing, and the first of its kind. And I think that you're going to start a trend of other musicians doing that. So I think that's amazing.
Well, there are a lot. I'm not the only musician that
No, you
makes their
are.
own music.
No,
I am.
you are.
I am the
I looked it
best.
up.
There's no one better than me.
Exactly.
But it's great seeing other musicians. Like I saw the Chainsmokers talking about how they made their song. I think Rosalia put up a video showing how she made her record. It's like, I didn't invent this. It's just me showing how I make a song, and people are now
I
doing
guess
it
it's
as well.
how you do it. I think it's not.
Maybe,
It's your own Charlie Puth stamp that makes it so unique and just so cool. I think people are really latching onto it. Obviously.
Well,
so I think
thanks.
that's awesome.
I'm happy. I'm very happy about that, and I'm like the annoying musical theater kid that you can find at ninth period. Just, can't wait till study hall's over. Yeah. What? Yeah.
I imagine you would make that noise. I don't know why.
Yeah, I said I have a huge like pool noodle cigar. Yeah, see, can't wait for musical theater.
Sure.
All right.
It's cute.
It's Monday. We have a lot to do.
We have a lot to talk about. I mean, you're already promoting a new song.
Yeah, well, I mean, the whole thing, if you're not familiar with me or who I am, which I don't expect anybody to know, but I sing and I'm promoting a song right now, and I am promoting actually the process of my entire album on TikTok and Instagram Reels or wherever, YouTube or whatever, because I want people to feel like they wrote all of these songs with me, and then by the time, like I tease how Light Switch for how long?
For months, right?
Months, like 5 months.
Yeah.
I want people to like need that. I want people to feel like they wrote the record with me.
We did. I feel like I deserve royalties. I feel like I deserve a check in the mail. I was a part of this process.
That's cute.
And you?
I think that.
Hell, man.
Maybe on the next one.
Okay. And the next one is coming out in April, right?
I
And
mean
that's
that.
called-
Well, I think that'll be called That's Hilarious.
That's
I think it's gonna be called That's Hilarious. That's a record for the fans, and while Light Switch goes up on the charts, it's really just my impatience. Kind of, I just want to see.
Just feeding all the fans?
Feed all the fans. Think of me as Mama Bird. Sorry.
Do they regurgitate the food in their mouths? That's very forceful.
I don't think about this. I don't know why.
You said you were the mama bird.
No, I made a mistake.
No, that's fine. So you're feeding the fans. That's hilarious. And you, you said how just personal this song is. Is it hard to be that transparent, that vulnerable with your fans? Or now, so many years in the business now, you've opened that door for that.
Well, I think the music that resonates the most is the music that's not trying to be something where it didn't feel like a homework assignment when I was writing it. It's just literally something I went through. Like the first record I played, We Don't Talk Anymore, I literally wrote it about my friend who's now married to that person we were talking about at the time, and I said, his name is Miles. I'm like, Miles, are you talking to that girl anymore? And he said, no, we don't talk anymore. And in some sort of like humorous joker way, I was like, we don't talk anymore. I'm gonna make you laugh with a sad lyric because he's like crying, like don't cry. But then I took the song home later and it turned into a real thing. So it was based on true life experiences. I've made records in the past where they weren't and they didn't resonate as well because it's not that writing from a hypothetical point of view is bad, but it's just, I don't know, us humans, we can relate to each other.
And peeling back the layers, right?
Yeah, like a banana.
Right. Exactly.
In Philadelphia.
Yeah. So
Max's cheesesteak, I'm thinking about that.
there you go. Hey.
Yeah.
Well,
I know the stuff.
Yeah, I mean, you were back in Jersey, your old stomping grounds. You go to Wawa to get a pork roll.
I didn't go to Wawa this
No?
time. They do a fantastic. The Wawas here are like OG Wawas. They're like fancy. The fonts on the fronts of the storefronts of these Wawas, it's like Wawa. In
Yeah.
In New Jersey, it's next to the Sunoco, it's Wawa. But here, it's like you're in Philadelphia, Wawa. You're gonna get some. I love writing in cursive.
Me too.
What else do we have to?
I don't know. I feel like we've been talking a lot recently. What else?
By the way, thanks for playing "Stay." The Justin Bieber.
Oh yeah, BT
record.
Dubs. He wrote "Stay," like the biggest song ever made.
Do you know how that song started? It started like a David Foster, like how David Foster would like. It's like you slow that. Sorry, you slow that. No disrespect to Peter Cetera. You like slow it down and put a piano to it. It's like sounds like a 1986 kind of like a Bruce Hornsby, like Bruce Hornsby playing that. I don't remember.
So how fast did "Stay" come together for you?
That one was relative. That came from real life experience too. That was just from 3 friends hanging out, having a nice time, not having any expectation to write a song. It just happened, and that's the best when that happens.
That's the best way, right? When it happens organically and it's not work, right?
Yeah, absolutely. That goes for everything outside of music as well, right? Everybody just don't work.
Just don't work.
You get the day off. Goodbye.
I get text every week saying that we look alike. That was a recent text that my wife got with our side-by-side photos.
We kind of do, so someone zoom in on this.
I'm like the Costco Charlie. Right?
With during COVID, so no samples.
No samples. Keep your mitts off.
They used to get so mad at me for having all those. But Costco used to give out like chicken sandwiches as samples, and like you had full meals. I think those.
Oh my
days are
God,
over.
no, it's back, baby.
Is it back?
It's back. Costco samples are back in Jersey, at Cherry Hill. We'll go after this. We'll get some meatballs and stuff.
Smack me like Will Smith. That's really.
Smack me like
Sorry,
Will Smith.
I'm
That's
sorry.
all, folks.
I'm sorry.
It's been a great day.
I'm sorry.
No, it's amazing.
That was really uncalled for.
No, I think that was perfect. Before I leave, when is the album going to be done, right? When is it? Do we know? You're going to give us a TDY exclusive?
All the tracks are there. I just need to like do like a couple like last minute little tweaks and everything like that. So I would think that it would come like this year, and that's what I will say. It'll come this year.
I love to hear that. Charlie, we love you so much.
I love you all so much. Thanks for working hard on my behalf, and hopefully I'm doing some hard work for you as well. And I appreciate you all for being here on this Monday. Cold Monday.
Brutally, abnormally cold. But thank you for being here as always. And the first performance back, you're one of the last performances before everything happens. So it's kind of poetic that you are kicking off performances here again.
It's all downhill from here.
All downhill. But you're the man. We love you so much.
Thank you.
Love you,
Thanks
Charlie.
for having me.